Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video I will show you the another setting of WhatsApp. So by knowing that setting of WhatsApp, you can easily use WhatsApp and you can easily chat with the friends, and you can easily manage your WhatsApp. So when you will click on WhatsApp, and you will see three dot on top right, click on here. So before starting the another features of the WhatsApp, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. Then because this video is really helpful for you, because WhatsApp is that app everyone can use, or everyone can use it for call, video, or you can send any text, any message, or any audio call, video call, or you can send any pictures, video through the WhatsApp, because it is the most popular app used nowadays. Because WhatsApp is that apps which is very popular nowadays. So when you will click on three dot on top right, and you will see the setting of options, and then you will see the options of privacy, chat and notification, and storage and data, and you will also see the options of app language. So when you will click on app language, you can select any language according to you, and that language which is very easy for better understanding, you can select that language. So after selecting that language, you can easily set privacy, and you can easily choose that language which is better for you and better for understanding. So in this way you can easily select the language on the WhatsApp, because when you will know the language of the WhatsApp, you can easily use the WhatsApp application very easily and properly. So it is the best options in the WhatsApp. You can choose any language from here which is better for you. So after that you will see the options of chat. You can also when you will click on chat options, you will see the options of theme, wallpaper. So when you will click on theme, you will see the three options: system default, light, dark mode. So when you will click on light mode, it's mean that light mode will be enable in the WhatsApp chat. So when you will click on dark mode, it's mean dark mode will be enable in the WhatsApp chats. I will show you in the live. So when I will click on light mode, you can see my light mode on the WhatsApp chat will be enable. So when I will click on dark mode and then click on OK, you can see light mode is changed into the dark mode. So in this way you can change light mode and dark mode on the WhatsApp. So if you want to change your wallpaper, you can click here, and here you will see the options of wallpaper. When you will click on here, and you will see a lot of wallpapers will appears in front of you, and you can select it according to you. For example, I am selecting this wallpapers. I will click on here, and then you will see the options of set wallpaper. Click on here. So in this way my wallpapers will be enabled when I will call anyone. So I will chat anyone, or I will a video call to anyone, that wallpaper will appears in front of that chat, any chat which you have selected. So here you will see the options of font size. So sometimes we want that our font size will be large, small or medium. So sometimes we want that it will be large. So when you will click on large options, it's mean that your font size of the text message will be large, and your font size, when you click on large options, the font size will be large, and you can see the bigger size of the words. So when you will click on medium, it's mean that medium font size will appears in the text, and when you will click on small size, it's mean that small size of the font size will appears in the words. So in this way you can change the font size of the your WhatsApp message. So when you will click on here, keep chats archive, sometimes we want that our contact disturbing us. We want that chats will not appears in front of chats or dashboard of the chat. So if we want to hide it, so when you will click on here, and you will see that my keep chats archive is enabled. So when we click on here, then you can see that my keep chats archive is enabled, and in this way you can easily keep archive enable, and you can select that contact which you want to put in the archive, and select the contact and put in the archive which disturbs you. So in this way you can set privacy and on the archive. So here you will also see the options of notification, because sometimes we are busy in family, office or any other works. So if you want to set the notification, if you it will really disturb you, so you can set privacy on the notification. So when you will click on conversations tone, so it's mean that all conversation tones like message, call, audio call, video call, all conversation message tone will be off. So in this way you can set the privacy on the conversation tones. So here you will also see the options of vibrate. So if you want to turn off vibrate, because sometime when ringing anybody will call us, and our mobile will start to ringing, and if you want to turn off vibrate, then you can click on turn off, and in this way you can set privacy and turn off notification and vibrate notification in this way. So here you will see the option of light. So because sometime when ringing is start, and white light is appears, if you will click on red, yellow, so you can click it according to you. So guys, in this way you can set privacy, and you can use the WhatsApp very easily. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If this video is really helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.